Okay, what I'm attempting to do is cover this IBC tank. I may have spoken about this in my videos before, but on this property, try to conserve water, and I use IBC tanks. Over here, this is a 275 gallon tank, and it's all rainwater. And how I get the water in here is actually I siphon it off from my other pump that's over there. That pump is 330 gallons. And what I did is I purchased some covers, because before I just had a regular tarp covering it. And let me show you over here what I got. Walk with me for a second. This ain't going nowhere. Okay, so over here, this tarp is connected to the house, and the water spout comes down. When we get a nice heavy rain, this thing can fill up. Probably within 2 days, this whole tank can fill up. I have the spout coming down, and I got this janky screen over here to cover leaves, because I don't want leaves in here. Eventually, I'm going to get another filter to cover it. Watch out, big head. Because right now it's looking kind of janky. Let's see. We actually covered this a few years back. This is weed barrier. Gotta go. And again, I have it covered because I don't want the UV rays, sunlight to get through here. And what it does, it creates algae in the water. So your water has a lot of green in it. And we don't want that. Wow, this is some good tape. This was a good idea while it lasted. It did the job. Went on the website, and I actually found a cover for a 330 gallon tank. All your measurements. Oh, and since we're down here, I have my connector here, and you say, how do I get water to the yard? I get water to the yard with this right here. This is a pump. I connect the end of the hose right here. This part right here, the outlet, connects to here. And then the whole water hose goes here. And there's actually enough pressure to go probably about 50 to 70 feet of pressure that it shoots out. So this right here is ample. Usually around August, September, that's when I start running out of water. But look how much water I saved. This is a lot of savings right here, because your water bill definitely will go high if you don't have one of these right here. Besides that, I find that whenever I water, probably about 2 days later, the plants just explode. They prefer rainwater as opposed to our tap water, which has a lot of chemicals in it. Fluorine, chlorine, who else knows? It could be pharmaceutical drugs in the water. I don't know. But plants love rainwater. All right, so this is just a little quick video. I'm gonna figure out how this goes on. This ain't the day to do this. It's a very windy day. Those who use car covers, they understand. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And if you look over here, you have a cover, Velcro, take it off. There's your water. Look at that. So it's filled up to the top. Look at that. It rained the other day. So look, if you're a beginner gardener, if you can put one of these on your property, I don't care if it's a 330, a 275, a 1 gallon, a 100 gallon, or a 50 gallon. You gotta get you one of these because it's a money saver. It's a money saver. Yes, I use a little bit of electricity for the pump, but I got free water. I don't have to use my house water. Peace.